The ultimate 7 days weight loss diet plan. Lose weight, feel great. Before starting any diet plan, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional to ensure it's suitable for your individual needs and health conditions. With that said, here is a sample 7-day diet plan for weight loss that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods. Day 1. 1. Breakfast. Greek yogurt with berries and almonds. 2. Snack. Apple slices with peanut butter. 3. Lunch. Grilled chicken breast with mixed greens and balsamic vinaigrette. 4. Snack. Baby carrots with hummus. 5. Dinner. Broiled salmon with roasted vegetables, broccoli, bell peppers, onions, and quinoa. Day 2. 1. Breakfast. Oatmeal with sliced banana and cinnamon. 2. Snack. Hard-boiled egg. 3. Lunch. Turkey and avocado wrap with whole grain tortilla. 4. Snack. Edamame. 5. Dinner. Grilled shrimp with zucchini noodles and marinara sauce. Day 3. 1. Breakfast. Veggie omelet with spinach, mushrooms, and bell peppers. 2. Snack. Sliced cucumber with tzatziki sauce. 3. Lunch. Lentil soup with whole grain bread. 4. Snack. Fresh berries. 5. Dinner. Baked chicken thigh with roasted sweet potatoes and asparagus. Day 4. 1. Breakfast. Smoothie with almond milk, spinach, banana, and chia seeds. 2. Snack. String cheese. 3. Lunch. Tuna salad with mixed greens and whole grain crackers. 4. Snack. Grapes. 5. Dinner. Beef stir-fry with brown rice and mixed veggies, broccoli, carrots, snap peas. Day 5. 1. Breakfast. Cottage cheese with sliced peaches and walnuts. 2. Snack. Cherry tomatoes with mozzarella cheese. 3. Lunch. Grilled portobello mushroom burger with whole grain bun and avocado. 4. Snack. Popcorn. 5. Dinner. Grilled pork chop with roasted Brussels sprouts and sweet potato fries. Day 6. 1. Breakfast. Whole grain toast with almond butter and banana slices. 2. Snack. Trail mix with almonds, raisins, and dark chocolate chips. 3. Lunch. Chicken and vegetable stir-fry with brown rice. 4. Snack. Orange slices. 5. Dinner. Baked cod with quinoa and roasted asparagus. Day 7. 1. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with spinach and feta cheese. 2. Snack. Celery sticks with almond butter. 3. Lunch. Turkey chili with mixed greens and avocado. 4. Snack. Fresh pineapple. 5. Dinner. Grilled steak with roasted vegetables, cauliflower, carrots, onions, and sweet potato mash. Remember to also stay hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of water, and limit or avoid processed and high-calorie foods. A well-rounded and balanced diet combined with regular exercise can lead to healthy weight loss and improved overall health. The ultimate 7 days weight loss diet plan. Lose weight, feel great. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share.